Enabling two-factor authentication on your Neteller account adds an extra layer of security to protect your financial information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Neteller account. Visit the Neteller website or open the mobile app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure network. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security or Security Settings option in the menu to access your security features. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, find the option for two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will typically have options such as receiving a code via SMS or using an authentication app like Google Authenticator. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen method, you may need to enter a verification code sent to you. Once confirmed, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Neteller account. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.